Hi, I'm Jeff Templeman, IT Manager for Zamboni and Project Manager for Zamboni Connect. This video is going to be for performing a manual setup for Wi-Fi configuration within Zamboni Connect. And it works with the WVA on the machine that enables us to add your Wi-Fi network. If it doesn't get added prior to shipping, we'll have to do this manual process, and this will walk you through it. You will need a laptop or a smart device with a browser that you can connect to the machine directly. The wireless vehicle adapter, or WVA, has a Wi-Fi direct connection on it that you can connect to it. What you'll need are 2 sets of credentials. So what we're going to do is we're going to establish a connection to the Wi-Fi direct connection on the WVA, and you'll need, like I said, 2 sets of credentials. So if you need those credentials, you'll have to reach out to support@zamboniconnect.com to get those unique set of credentials for this particular device. So we are here to establish a Wi-Fi connection directly on the machine, directly to the WVA. And how you do that is you go to your Wi-Fi settings from your laptop. Of course, you have to be within range of the device as well. You go to your Wi-Fi settings, and could be a little bit different between whether you're on Windows 10 or Windows 11. We are using Windows 11. As you can see, this is the actual SSID of the wireless network being broadcast by the WVA on the machine. And it is WVA- and the MAC address of the WVA. So if you need the MAC address, that's where you can find it as well. This is where we will need to get the password. This is a Windows 11 setting where it asks for a PIN. We don't have a PIN for this. We have a password, so you have to scroll down and click on connect using a password instead. This is a Windows 11 only feature. So you'll click on use a password. You have to type the password that we will provide to you if you need to do this. What this will do is it will give you a connection to the WVA, but there will not be any Wi-Fi connection. So just keep that in mind. When you're connecting, it will say it's connected without any internet access. So as you see, it says no internet and secured. It means we're connected. Open up our browser. The IP address is 192.168.100.1. It says your connection is not private. You click on advanced and then proceed to that IP address. And then from here is where you'll get the user credential login for the WVA itself, for the user interface. And again, we will provide you with the password to this to access it. Once you're in the user interface, you'll be able to add the Wi-Fi network from your facility. What you'll want to do is click on wireless network and then infrastructure. Now this displays the networks that are currently entered into the WVA. And if your network is not there, this is where you want to add it. So you'll click on add. It will scan for available wireless networks. And then you will pick your network. And once you pick your network, it will ask you for the security mode. Most are WPA, WPA2 personal. And then you will type in the WPA shared key or password for your network. You'll enter it in 2 times for confirmation and click finish. Once you have clicked finish, the WVA will want to reboot. A message should pop up that says it is rebooting. Once you get past the reboot process, which could take anywhere from 2 to 4 minutes, it will take you back to the home screen. And from here, you will get a general status of the WVA. And you can see at the bottom, there are 6 checkboxes. You want to make sure that all of those are checked. If some of them are not checked, it gives you a stopping point of where the problem might lie, whether it's not connecting to your network, could be a password issue, not getting an IP address. You might have to check with your IT department to see if they have any special settings for you. Also, there's firewall issues that could pop up, preventing you from connecting to the cloud server. That's where we upload our data. So there are several different steps that it goes through to verify and validate whether the connection is accurate or not. So if all of those are checked, you should be good to go. Something else to recommend is to not make any other changes to the WVA configuration, because that could prevent sessions from being uploaded. But that is how you add a wireless network to the WVA in a manual setup environment.